Hello everyone, in today's video, we will learn how to use Internet Explorer in Windows 11. Additionally, with the same method, we can create a shortcut for Internet Explorer in Windows 10. Right-click on the desktop and select Show More Options. Then click on New. Select a shortcut. Click on Browse. You can manually select the iexplore file, or you can directly paste the path mentioned in the description. Then click on Next and Finish. Now, the Internet Explorer shortcut will be created on the desktop. Double-click on the shortcut.